Hi guys, as you all know, I've been independently covering the student protest in Delhi for a few days now, and it's very important that I get this information out there. And please do share it as much as you can, so that people who are involved in this and people associated with CJP, they all get the message, and somebody steps in to take care of this problem. The actual issue is that the energy at Jantar Mantar is exploding to the point where the lack of a chain of command and the lack of organization is really creating a problem, and what comes out of this could be at some point very counterproductive. One, the lack of internet connection. People are not able to coordinate with each other. Nobody knows what's going on. Even if CJP is putting up status updates, only people like you sitting at home can actually see it. Once you're at the protest venue, you have no connection with the outside world. People don't know what's going on. Two, this is a protest at this point. There is a lot of food, there's a lot of supplies, there's a lot of stuff, like everywhere. And, at this point, the protest is even accepting people and inviting people who are just there to eat food. I'm not going to lie about it. There are people who are just there to eat food. There's free food, so they're just there for it. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that's necessarily a bad thing, but the youngsters need to create a chain of command. There needs to be some control to this. There needs to be some organization to this, so that this energy doesn't backfire, so that later some presence of a miscreant or some ill-placed energy that the youth is bringing to this protest in large numbers is not misplaced. I actually met a gentleman at the protest today who explained this beautifully, and I really hope his words reaches the right people. Please listen to him.
This protest have been able to mobilize almost lakhs of students on the streets of national capital without any chain of command.
Yes.
I request, is there anyone, if there any leader from CJP or any political party or anyone who's trying to manage this youth, because बहुत एनर्जी है यार, पर कोई चेन ऑफ कमांड नहीं है, कोई एसओपी नहीं है, सब एजेंडा लेके आ रहे हैं, किसी को कोई नहीं पता कि कोई गून आ जाए, तो कोई किसी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का बंदा अपना एजेंडा लेके आना चाहे, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ सम फ्यू एप्पल्स पूरा लॉट खराब होगा, सबको गाली पड़ेगी, सबको डंडे पड़ते हैं. तो मेरी बस एक छोटी सी मैसेज है, ट्राई टू ऑर्गेनाइज दिस एनर्जी यार, एज मच एज वी कैन, राइट. एंड ये प्रोटेस्ट बहुत अमेजिंग है, तब भी इतने अनसीरियसली सीरियस जनरेशन जो हमारी है, तब भी हम पीसफुल है, बट द क्वेश्चन इज कब तक.
Also, the internet has been shut down for days.
Exactly.
Do you think this is an effort to make sure that we don't mobilize?
चेन ऑफ कमांड अगर स्टेट से आ रहा है, अगर वो डाल भी रहे हैं, वी आर नॉट एबल टू हियर इट, वी आर नॉट एबल टू गेट दैट इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन स्पॉट बिकॉज द इंटरनेट इज जैम्ड हियर, राइट. तो एक एसओपी होता है, कुछ लीडर्स बनाए जाते हैं, कुछ कम्युनिकेशन होता है, कुछ नहीं हो रहा. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, इंटरनेट नहीं है, एक्सक्यूज नहीं है. गांधी ने विदाउट इंटरनेट मोबिलाइज किया था, सत्याग्रह किया था, एंड वी कैन आल्सो डू इट, राइट. वी नीड टू जस्ट ऑर्गेनाइज इट एंड वी आर गुड टू गो.